How to write quadratic equation in standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. For example, x squared equals 7. This format is incorrect as per standard form of quadratic equation. Rather get in standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. The equation changes to x squared plus 0x minus 7 equals 0. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Quadratic equation. No problem. Got a quadratic equation like this. We need two numbers that add to 5 and multiply to 6. That's 2 and 3. Set each factor to 0. And you get your answers. X equals minus 2 and x equals minus 3. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hard quadratic. No problem. Let's solve this quadratic equation. First, set it to 0. We need two numbers that multiply to minus 75 and add to minus 22. Find factors that multiply to minus 75 and add to minus 22. It's minus 25, 3. We have the given equation. Factor by grouping gives us. And the solutions are m equals minus 3 upon 5 and m equals 5. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Quadratic formula. It's the quadratic formula. A, B, C are the coefficients. Match coefficients color to color. Subscribe for the solution. Solve by quadratic formula. Compare. Here A equals 1, B equals 5, C equals 6. Here's the quadratic formula. Substituting the values. Solving for x we get x is minus 2 and x is minus 3. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Discriminant. Discriminant is given by b squared minus 4ac. Positive. 2 real solutions. 0. 1 real solution. Negative. No real solutions. We have the following results. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Find the equation in seconds. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, then the equation is formed as x squared minus the sum of the roots times x plus the product of the roots equals 0. Alpha plus beta is sum of the roots. Alpha times beta is product of the roots. Quadratic equation help. Subscribe for more. Got the roots of a quadratic. Let's make the equation. Sum of roots, product of roots. Sum is minus 2. Product is minus 3. Substitute the values. We have x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Remember sum and product. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Sum and product tricks. A, B, C are the coefficients of the equation. Alpha and beta are roots of equation. Sum of roots, alpha plus beta, equals negative b divided by a. Product of roots is alpha into beta equals c divided by a. Remember this. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.